I've probably used over 30 SMM panels in the last 3 months trying to get high quality Instagram followers for my clients. And none of the SMM panels that I used before satisfied my clients with the quality. Until I came across SMM Go, that was the first SMM panel that actually satisfied them with the quality of the Instagram followers. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get high quality EU and US followers for your Instagram with the help of SMM Go. So make sure you stay tuned until the end of this video. Let's get started. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to screen share right here on my phone so you can follow along and get these high quality EU and US followers for yourself. So we're on SMM Go and I'm going to show you the first important step. And if you click on this icon right here, you can see that you'll be able to add funds. Right, so you can add funds in the following ways. So if we click on the method, you can see Cryptomus, Stripe, Oxapay, and Helicat. So you can do crypto payments or even card payments, which are really useful because if you're into crypto like myself, that makes your life a whole lot easier. But we can go back to the main page, we click new order, and that is where we are going to be going through the process to get these followers to our Instagram. Right, so you can scroll down, you can see fund information like your account spending, your points, and your account status, and you can see the different social media platforms that they offer their services available for. So in this video, we're obviously going to click. So for this video, we're obviously going to be clicking on Instagram. You can scroll down, and there is a search bar as well. So you can go and actually search, for example, Instagram followers, TikTok likes, and then there's a category as well. So we can click on the category and we can see it's already on SMM Go, Instagram followers, EU and USA, right? So we can click on that, and then there is a service under each category. So there are multiple services under some of the categories. So make sure you click the correct service under your category. So the high quality EU and US followers for Instagram. So the service number for the high quality EU and US Instagram followers is actually 8701 if you just want to go and type it in the search bar to make your life a little bit easier. Okay guys, so let's just take a quick second for the sponsor of today's video called Lead Sniper. So Lead Sniper will help you convert leads into actual clients using a Google scraper, Google Map scraper, and a yellow scraper all in one place. So if you want to turn those leads into clients, go and check out Lead Sniper. The link will be in the description below. So let's get on with today's video. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be going to my Instagram. I'm going to be going to my profile. I'm going to say share profile, and I'm going to copy that link. Going to be going back to the SMM Go website. Okay guys, so once you've pasted in that link, you just select the quantity, right? So I'm just going to start off with a small amount, for example 20. You can see the average time it will take right there is 12 minutes, and the charge is only like 23 cents. Okay, so make sure before you actually purchase in large scale that you test it with a small amount first, and then once you know the service works properly, you can then double down and actually get the numbers or the quantity of followers that you want, right? If you scroll down, you can see there are some service details in the description. Make sure that you read them. So we can see, for example, it has a refill of 30 days. So if you lose any followers in the 30 days, you can go back to the SMM Go website and claim back the followers, so you will get them back within the first 30 days. We can see the quality is USA and EU users only, and then we can do 5,000 followers per hour, which is pretty insane, and it will start almost instantly, right? So we can click submit right now, and then what it will do is it will take us back to the home screen. You will see that your order has been received right there, and you can see your remaining balance, the charge, and then I'm going to go to Instagram and I'm going to see if the followers actually come in. So let me go back to my Instagram, go back to my page. We can see we have 4,500 followers. So I'm going to give it a couple of minutes. I'm going to come back, refresh it, and show you the results. Okay, so back on my Instagram, you can see that I've received all of the followers. I refreshed the page and you can see all of them coming through a couple of minutes ago. So that is literally how easy it is to use SMM Go, and their prices are really, really good as well. So I would highly recommend that you go and check them out. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. Okay guys, that will be a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload. And if you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section down below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.